Hi everyone, today we will be discussing the 2019 FRQ number 7 from the AP Chemistry exam. This FRQ mainly covers lab-based techniques, especially titrations and reading burettes. In this question, we are simply asked to look at oxidation numbers. Oxygen is not in a peroxide compound, so we can rule out that as it won't change. Hydrogen does not become a hydride, and it is never at the end of any compound, so we can also rule that out as it won't change. We are left with carbon and manganese. We see that manganese must have a +7 charge oxidation state on the reactant side to balance out the 4 oxygens and the -1 charge, and on the product side it has become a +2 ion. Therefore, since manganese's oxidation state has gone down, it has been reduced, and that's what we need to answer with. We justify our answer by mentioning these 2 oxidation states and the chain. If we look at the burette readings, we see that potassium permanganate goes from 3.35 milliliters to roughly 29.55 milliliters. Using these 2 numbers, we can subtract final minus initial to find the volume used to get 26.20 milliliters used. For this question, we simply take our milliliters from the previous answer, divide it by 1000 to get liters, and multiply the molarity to get 0.000616 moles of permanganate ions. Remember that since there is only 1 permanganate ion per potassium permanganate compound, we don't have to worry about any weird ratios. The big thing that jumps out at me when looking at this question is that they are asking specifically about using the same equipment. So I believe that we should check how much volume would be needed to finish this titration. Since the molarity is lower, the volume will be increased, and I'm wondering if it's more than the burette can handle. By doing some simple stoichiometry, we convert the grams of oxalic acid to the supposed moles of permanganate, and dividing by the molarity to find the total volume, we see that is more than 0.050 liters or 50 milliliters. So we need to answer that this concentration would not be reasonable because the amount required to reach the endpoint of the titration is more than 50 milliliters, which is how much the burette can hold. That's all I have for y'all today. I hope this video helped you with the 7th FRQ, and I'll see you guys in the next one.